Hello, I'm back with some more jewelry I just picked up from yard sales, and I think I'm about to start buying a few boxes online again, which I will share here. But I wanted to show you what I found. Some cool stuff. Now, so this is just beads here. I paid 75 cents for some bugle beads. This I paid a quarter for. I didn't even look. Whatever was a quarter, I just grabbed it. I didn't know what was in these bags. I figured that they'd be good for either resale or for making stuff. Now this is really pretty. Not my style, but it's got nice, they feel like glass. They're cold and they're just a nice color. I like the black and the white. And there was actually two in this bag. Now this one's more what I like. I think this one's prettier for me. I'm not a big stone chip person. There's a lot of stone chips. I like this one with the faceted, and they're glass. But those are really pretty. For 12